Good morning, all of you. In this video, we are going to discuss about reactions of sulfuric acid H2SO4 with salt. Sulfuric acid undergo reaction with potassium chloride, potassium nitrate, and convert them into bisulfate. And sulfuric acid also undergo reaction with sodium carbonate and sodium bromide. It also undergo reaction with the organic compound. Gives a sulfonic acid. How the reactions takes place? Reactions of sulfuric acid with the salt. Sulfuric acid react with a different metal salt to give metal sulfates and bisulfate. Metal sulfate SO4 2 minus ion, bisulfate HSO4 minus ion. KCl potassium chloride when treated with sulfuric acid H2SO4, one HCl is removed and it gives potassium bisulfate or potassium hydrogen sulfate. Potassium nitrate when treated with the H2SO4, one H and one NO3 is removed as HNO3 gives potassium bisulfate. Sodium carbonate when treated with the sulfuric acid, carbon dioxide and water molecules are removed, gives sodium sulfate. It acts as an oxidizing agent which oxidizes sodium bromide into bromine. It oxidizes sodium bromide into bromine. And sulfuric acid also react with the organic compound like benzene. Sulfuric acid react with the organic compounds such as benzene to give sulfonic acid. C6H6 plus H2SO4. Benzene plus sulfuric acid gives benzene sulfonic acid. SO3H is called sulfonic acid. Now we are going to discuss how these reactions takes place. Reactions of sulfuric acid with salt. Sulfuric acid when treated with KCl. Potassium chloride when treated with H2SO4. Potassium chloride undergo ionization gives K plus and Cl minus ion. Sulfuric acid undergo ionization gives H plus and bisulfate ion. So which combine with the plus ion combine with the minus ion and form hydrochloric acid along with this K plus combine with the bisulfate ion form KHSO4. Both the valencies are equal. This is your potassium chloride. When treated with sulfuric acid gives potassium bisulfate. KHSO4. It also undergo reaction with KNO3. Potassium nitrate KNO3 when treated with the sulfuric acid H2SO4 gives how it undergo ionization K plus NO3 minus and H plus HSO4 minus. Now we know this H plus ion combine with the nitrate ion NO3 minus ion form HNO3 plus K plus combine with the bisulfate ion and gives KHSO4. Potassium bisulfate. This is your potassium nitrate. KNO3. And one more salt, sodium carbonate when treated with sulfuric acid. Sodium carbonate. What is the molecular formula? Na, sodium, carbonate, CO3. Carbonate is a 2 minus ion. Carbon plus 4, oxygen 3 oxygen 6 minus 2 minus ion. Sodium is a monopositive ion. When we write in class, molecular formula Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. When treated with sulfuric acid, we know carbonate always liberate carbon dioxide. Sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. When treated with sulfuric acid, H2SO4 gives. So here Na is a monopositive ion, sulfate 2 minus ion, and H plus 1 combined with the oxygen. So what are our product? This sodium plus combined with the sulfate ion, NaSO4. Sodium monopositive, sulfate is a 2 minus ion, oxidation state. Sulfur 6 plus, 4 oxygen 8 minus, therefore 2 minus. When we write in class, that 2 is here, 1 is here, plus this carbonate always liberate carbon dioxide. CO2, carbon dioxide is liberated, plus this hydrogen and oxygen is removed as H2O. How? Hydrogen combine with the oxygen. Oxygen is a 2 minus ion, hydrogen monopositive. Therefore, H2O water molecule is also removed. This carbon dioxide is liberated as brisk effervescence. Brisk effervescence. Brisk effervescence. Then one more salt we have. Sulfuric acid oxidizes sodium bromide into bromine. NaBr, sodium bromide. When treated with sulfuric acid, H2SO4 gives. What are the product are obtained? Sodium bisulfate NaHSO4 plus H2O plus Br2 and liberation of SO2. Liberation of SO2. Actual balancing we will discuss. Now 2 NaBr, 2 H2SO4 and 2 NaHSO4, 2 H2O and 1 Br2, 1 SO2. How actually this reaction takes place, that we are going to discuss. So in the first step, sodium bromide, NaBr, sodium bromide, when treated with sulfuric acid, H2SO4, H2SO4. This is 2, 3 and goes on. H2SO4. Sulfuric acid oxidize sodium bromide into bromine plus sodium combined with the bisulfate and gives sodium bisulfate like our potassium bisulfate. And sulfuric acid produces nascent hydrogen. Now balance the reaction. 2Br, 2Br. How many sodium we have? 2 sodium, 2 sodium. How many sulfate? 2 sulfate, 2 sulfate. Hydrogen we have to balance. 4 hydrogen. 2 plus 2 equal to 4 hydrogen. This is the first step. In the second step, sulfuric acid is reduced with nascent hydrogen. H2SO4, sulfuric acid, is reduced by nascent hydrogen, gives sulfur dioxide SO2 plus water molecule H2O. Equation is 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen. Equation is balanced. Now, which one undergo oxidation, which one undergo reduction, we will see in last. When we write the overall reaction, we have to add the step 1, step 2 reactions. So, in both reactions, which molecule is in equal nascent hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. These two get cancelled. So, our final reaction is 2NaBr. 2NaBr plus 2 plus 1 equal to 3H2SO4 gives, so what are our product? Br2 plus 2NaHSO4 plus liberation of SO2 plus how many water molecule? 2 water molecules H2O. This is your final reaction. So, in this reaction, sulfuric acid oxidize NaBr into Br. How? In sodium bromide, sodium is monopositive, therefore bromine is 1 minus. In Br2, homogeneous diatomic oxidation state equal to 0. When you move from left to right, the oxidation number increases, therefore it is called oxidation. Sulfuric acid, sulfur oxidation state equal to plus 6. In sulfur dioxide, sulfur oxidation state is plus 4. When you move from left to right, the oxidation number decreases, therefore it is called reduction. Sulfuric acid in this reaction used as a oxidizing agent which oxidize sodium bromide into bromine. Now we are going to discuss how sulfuric acid react with organic compound. Reaction of sulfuric acid with organic compound. The first member of organic compound is benzene and the reaction is called sulfonation. The reaction is called sulfonation. What is sulfonation? Sulfonation means addition of SO3H group. Addition of SO3H group, the electrophile, a positively charged ion, to aromatic compound is called sulfonation. The SO3H is called sulfonic acid. Sulfonic acid, or one more name, sulfonyl. Sulfonyl. So, for sulfonation, the aromatic compound is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid. Concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4. How to write this concentrated sulfuric acid? What we are going to add that should be separated from sulfuric acid? We are going to add SO3H. So, when you separate SO3H from sulfuric acid, you will remaining have HO. This is your H2SO4. Now, we are going to write the chemical reaction. In structural form, benzene C6H6. Benzene ring containing alternate single and double bond. All the carbon atom containing one hydrogen, now I separate one hydrogen from one carbon. When treated with concentrated sulfuric acid HOSO3H gives, from benzene ring hydrogen is removed as H plus. This H plus combine with the OH minus of sulfuric acid. Because of OH is removed as minus, charge on sulfur is plus, H is removed as plus, charge on this carbon is minus. When you add that plus to this minus, you will get C6 H5. Here you have SO3H plus sulfuric water molecule H2O. This H plus OH minus removed as H2O. Now our aromatic compound, we know the name benzene. Benzene undergo sulfonation gives benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. So this is the reaction, how benzene undergo reaction with sulfuric acid, or reaction of sulfuric acid with organic compound. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. Still you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.